agents, Melissa DeMaria here. I'm so excited. I'm going to be in your market center really soon. Check the email below for the actual date. I'm going to be coming into your market center to share with you the tactics of shift. What's important about this to you? If you're a new agent in real estate, wow, it's a great time to be selling real estate, right? You have an opportunity to learn the tactics and the skills that you need to take market share through a shifting and changing market. That's going to allow you to create a long-running, consistent business, which is the goal. If you've been selling real estate for a while, I hope that you will take the time and invest in yourself and your business and come back into the classroom to hone your skills, right? Relearn the things that we know how to do, but maybe haven't had to do lately, right? I hope that you will take the time to work on your business and spend the day with us talking about the tactics of shift. I'm a 19-year real estate agent. I've built a really successful, consistent business in the Tampa, Florida market. I've survived a few shifts. It's important for us to be sure that we are having the right mindset, that we are holding our money accountable, that we're working with motivated buyers and sellers in this market. Those are the things and more that we're going to talk about. You will leave the day with some action steps of things that you can start to do in your business right away. I promise the day will be valuable, it will be purposeful for you, and you will leave with some great things to go and put into practice in your business. Take the time to invest in yourself and work on your business. I look forward to seeing you soon. I hope you have a fantastic day.